Sometimes we have to find maximum value in our database. How can we do this? To find the maximum value, we will use max function, and for using max function, there are multiple methods which we will go through in this lecture one by one. If I want to find who is getting maximum salary in this database among first 4 employees, then I will use here my first method, which is on base of cell selection. So I will delete this, and here I will use max function equal max bracket, and the first argument is number 1. Here I will select number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 comma and then number 4 and bracket close and press enter. When I press enter, you can see I got the answer 7883. So if I go to the database, this is 7883, and in the among first 4 employees, Mr. William has highest salary. So in this way you can get the maximum number from your database by using cell selection criteria. And as you know, if you have a big database, then this method is not applicable. So for the big databases, we have to use max function by range selection. So for range selection, I will go to the second method. I will delete this equal max bracket. Then instead of cell selection, I will select full range from C4 to C22 and bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the answer 18,193. And if I go to the database, this is our maximum value in this database. There is a third method, which is insert function command. So for using insert function command, I will delete this, and then I will go to the header. In the formulas ribbon, I will click the first option, insert function. A dialog box will appear, and in the search box, I will write it here max and click go. And you can see the first function is max function. Select this and click OK. Another box will open, and here there are two arguments, number 1, number 2. Number 2 is optional, so we will give our range selection in number 1. So I will select my range and then click OK. And you can see I got the same answer, 18,193. So in this way you can find max value by using insert function command. In our last method, we will use AutoSum function. For this, I will delete this. Then I will go to the formulas, and in the function library, the first option is AutoSum. Click on drop down menu, and here you can find max function. Click on this. Then Excel will activate auto selection, and I will make my selection from C4 to C22 and just press enter. And you can see I got the answer 18,193. 18,193 is the maximum or highest value in this database. So what if I delete this value from my database? Then you can see Excel has find another highest value, which is 17,750. This is the highest value right now in this database. If I delete this also, then Excel find another highest value, 16,054, and this is the highest value right now in this database. So in this way you can find highest value or maximum value in your database.